Hi guys, welcome back to term 4. This is our reading task for this week. So first thing you're going to do is on this slide is click on the link to the library server so you can actually see what books that we have in the library, and it's going to come up with a page like this, and you need to log in using your computer login details, so the same ones that you would normally use to log into your computer. And we'll just load that up. Okay, and here we are, just with the page loading up, the carousel here with the new books that have been popped into the library. So you're going to do a search today, and you're going to search for one of the books that are on your group's list. So we'll talk about that during our class. So if I just search for Ghost Boy, which is one of the books on one of the group lists, you're going to see here that there's two options. So if you remember back to the lessons that we had in the library, that this Ghost Boy is actually in the fiction section of the library, and this text is over in the class texts. So you can tell that by the number of copies that we have in that area of the library. So what you can do is, it doesn't matter which one, but if you click on one of them and have a look at the information that's there about the text, including the summary. Okay, so some of the texts don't have a summary on them. So if you go into the multiple copies, the class sets that we've got there, so just using the arrows to scroll through and just have a read of the text. Once you've done that, I want you to make some choices. So back on the Google form that we've got here, it's going to come up and you're going to fill in some information here. So if I just put this is Bath and 7D and I click next, it's going to ask you what group you're in. So you'll know that by the class, and if I'm in group 1, I'm going to go click on that, and it's going to take me through to the books that I have in my selection choice, and I'm going to have a look at them. Then it's going to ask you to make a selection, a preference of the 3 books that you have, and it's going to get you to prioritize them in option 1, option 2, or option 3. Okay, so once you've done that, then I'll be able to get the books organised for you to borrow next week. And when we're back face to face, we'll be all able to get back into our book clubs and reading together. Okay, so that's what you need to do today. And I'll see you in our class call. Catch you soon. Bye.